A Ukrainian drone captured footage of soldiers in the Kursk region, identified as likely from North Korea. This marks one of the first objective confirmations of DPRK involvement. Observers note their distinctly Korean appearance and calm reaction to drones, raising questions about their role in the ongoing conflict. Syrian President Bashar al-Assad revealed he remained in Damascus until the early hours of 8 December, leaving the city only later that evening, dismissing speculation about his movements during key regional events. Bitcoin has shattered its previous price records, soaring to an unprecedented $107,000. This milestone reflects growing global interest in cryptocurrency investments and market dynamics. Lieutenant General Igor Kirillov, head of Russia's radiation, chemical, and biological defense forces, was killed in a blast in Moscow. Known for exposing Pentagon-run biolabs in Ukraine, Kirillov presented evidence of alleged US-funded experiments involving biological weapons and pharmaceutical testing on civilians. He was a prominent figure in Russia's campaign to highlight violations of the Biological and Toxin Weapons Convention. Key revelations included claims of bioweapon experiments using bats and birds in Ukraine, alleged U.S. biolab networks housing dangerous pathogens, including COVID-19 and HIV, accusations against U.S. officials of obstructing COVID-19 origin investigations. Kirillov's death has sparked significant attention due to his controversial findings and role in Russia's military strategy. Canadian Deputy Prime Minister Chrystia Freeland has resigned, with rumors of Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's possible departure. Reports suggest clashes over Trudeau's populist initiatives versus Freeland's calls for a more measured approach. A magnitude 7.3 earthquake struck near Vanuatu, causing extensive damage. Social media videos reveal destruction to buildings housing US, UK, and French embassies. Emergency responses are underway to address the aftermath. China's Jiwa robot has begun mass production of its humanoid Agibot, aiming for 900 units by the end of 2024. Surging demand for these robots, particularly bipedal models, highlights the rapid advancements and global interest in robotics innovation.